Hi, this is Osama Amrani. I'm a grade 9 student at Al Nada School in Sana'a, Yemen. Today I will be talking about human reproduction. Have you ever pondered about the miracle of human life? How a single cell can develop into a complex organism like us? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for centuries. Our journey begins in the most unassuming of places, a single solitary cell. This tiny, microscopic entity is packed with the potential to create life, a life that is intricate and diverse in its form and function. It's a marvel of nature, a testament to the complexity and beauty of existence. This cell, this seed of life, is the start of a remarkable journey. It is the first step in the creation of a new human being, a process that is as intricate as it is spectacular. From this solitary cell, a whole human being will emerge, complete with thoughts, feelings, dreams, and aspirations. So buckle up. We're about to embark on an awe-inspiring ride. Let's delve into this fascinating journey of human reproduction. The journey of human life starts with a process known as fertilization. In the vast world of biology, one of the most fascinating events is the meeting of a sperm cell and an egg cell. This is the beginning of a new human life. Let's dive into how this process, known as fertilization, unfolds. In this intricate dance of life, the male's sperm plays the role of the traveler, while the female's egg awaits in anticipation. The journey begins when millions of sperm are released during ejaculation, but only the strongest and fastest will reach the final destination, the egg. The sperm's journey is not an easy one. It must first travel through the cervix, a kind of gateway into the uterus. This is no small feat, as the cervix is lined with a thick mucus, designed to block all but the most determined of sperm. Once inside the uterus, the sperm must then navigate the winding path to the fallopian tubes, where the egg is waiting. This journey is a race against time, as the sperm only has about 72 hours to locate and fertilize the egg. During this expedition, the sperm goes through a vital transformation known as capacitation. This process prepares the sperm to penetrate the egg's outer layer, the zona pellucida. It's the ultimate test of survival and endurance. Finally, when one lucky sperm reaches the egg, it releases enzymes that allow it to penetrate the egg's outer layer. This successful breach prompts a reaction in the egg that prevents any other sperm from entering. The sperm and egg then fuse, combining their genetic material. This moment of union marks the creation of a single cell known as a zygote, the very first cell of a new human being. And just like that, a new life begins. This process, from the release of the sperm to the creation of the zygote, is the miraculous event we call fertilization. With fertilization complete, the stage is set for the next chapter in this incredible journey. With the fusion of sperm and egg, a single cell known as a zygote is formed. Now this zygote, remarkable as it may be, is just the starting line of an extraordinary journey. Let's delve into the fascinating process by which this single cell transforms into a complex organism, an embryo. Firstly, the zygote embarks on a voyage through the fallopian tube, all the while undergoing a series of rapid divisions in a process known as cleavage. This cleavage isn't a simple multiplication of cells, oh no, it's a meticulously coordinated dance of division and growth, ultimately resulting in a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. Now this blastocyst is not just a mass of identical cells, it's much more intricate. Some of these cells, located on the outer layer, will form the placenta and other supporting structures necessary for the embryo's development. The others, nestled within, will give rise to the embryo itself. As we move forward, we witness a phenomenon called gastrulation, where the cells begin to arrange themselves into 3 distinct layers. Each of these layers, or germ layers, has a significant role to play. The outermost layer, the ectoderm, will form the skin and the nervous system. The middle layer, the mesoderm, will give rise to muscles, bones, and the circulatory system. The innermost layer, the endoderm, is responsible for creating the digestive system and other internal organs. Following gastrulation, we have neurulation, where the foundation of the nervous system is laid down. It's a crucial step where the ectoderm folds in on itself to form the neural tube, the precursor to the brain and spinal cord. Finally, organogenesis takes place, where all the major organs begin to form. From the heart that begins to beat, to the brain that starts to take shape, the embryo development is indeed a marvel of nature. So there you have it, the incredible journey from a single zygote to a multi-celled embryo. It's a testament to the delicate yet powerful orchestration of life. As we see, from a single cell, a complex organism begins to take shape. After a journey of around 9 months, the moment of birth arrives. The final stage of human reproduction is indeed a marvel of nature. This stage is a culmination of several intricate processes that have been taking place inside the mother's body, leading to this magical moment. The body, in its wisdom, begins to prepare for this event. The muscles of the uterus start to contract rhythmically, a phenomenon we commonly refer to as labor. These contractions help the baby navigate through the birth canal, making its way out into the world. As the baby emerges, it takes its first breath, filling its lungs with air. This moment marks the end of gestation and the beginning of a new life. A life that was once a mere single cell has now transformed into a fully formed human being, ready to embark on its own journey. And thus, the incredible journey of human reproduction concludes with the arrival of a new life. From a single cell to a complex organism, the journey of human reproduction is indeed extraordinary. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've journeyed through today. We started with the intricate dance of fertilization, where a single sperm cell merges with an ovum, sparking the beginning of a new life. Then we delved into the miraculous transformation of that fertilized egg or zygote into an embryo. This process involves rapid cell division and differentiation, laying the foundation for all the organs and systems that make up a human being. Finally, we discussed the unforgettable moment of birth, the culmination of roughly 9 months of growth and development inside the womb. This is the moment when a new individual, complete with their own unique genetic makeup, enters the world for the first time. Next time you ponder the miracle of life, remember this extraordinary journey that each one of us has undertaken.